Hi, this is Anagha Mudgal. Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we will explore matching the tonal quality of two different microphones using Numendo 13's tonal match. So, we've captured the audio using the Sennheiser MKH50 boom mic and the Sony ECM77B lavalier mic in an untreated room, with each imparting its own unique color and character to the recordings. Now, a daunting task lies before us. That is matching the lavalier mic to the boom mic. Normally, matching together such different audio sources require careful EQ adjustments, dynamic processing, perhaps a touch of reverb to blend them seamlessly. Tonal Match analyzes and transfers the tonal characteristics of the referenced audio and applies those characteristics onto another audio. This helps in aligning the tonal qualities of two different microphones, making them sound more alike. So, will it flawlessly align the tonal characteristics of our boom and lavalier recordings with just few clicks? Let's find out. But before we dive right into it, let's first check out the tonal differences between the boom mic and the lavalier mic, which primarily stems from their design and usage scenarios. We have used the Sennheiser MKH50, a high-end condenser microphone with a supercardioid pickup pattern, which means it picks up sounds primarily from the front, while rejecting a good amount of ambient noises from the sides. It excels at capturing dialogue and vocals with clarity and minimal background noise. The Sony ECM77B is a miniature lavalier microphone. It has an omnidirectional pickup pattern, meaning it picks up sounds equally from all directions around the microphone. The omnidirectional pattern makes it suitable for situations where capturing ambient sound and multiple sound sources is desired. Okay, so let's first listen to the recordings. Let's hear the boom mic recording.
अर्धनारीश्वर का मतलब है कि ये जो आप हो, इस आप का आधा हिस्सा.
Okay, now let's listen to the lavalier mic recording and I will toggle between the two.
अर्धनारीश्वर का मतलब है कि ये जो आप हो, इस आप का आधा हिस्सा आत्मा शरीर के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है. अगर वो खत्म,
we can tell that they are vastly different. Boom has more presence and warmth as opposed to the lavalier omnidirectional mic that has captured a lot of room tone and ambience. So, let's apply the tonal match. We're going to match the lavalier with the boom mic. First, we want to add boom recording as the sound reference. So let's open the sound reference panel, go to audio, and here it is, in sound reference. Now I have already selected the boom recording, then let's add this reference. One can rename it, remove it, or add more references. One can also addition the selected sound reference. Okay, now let's select the lav recording and go to audio and direct offline processing. Tonal Match is only available as a plugin through direct offline processing and not as a separate track plugin. So let's add the plugin and let's search for Tonal Match. Now it has automatically applied the plugin on our audio event as we have the auto apply checked on. And you can also see this icon here, which is a visual indication of the same thing. Now it has automatically selected boom as a sound reference. If one had multiple sound references, you can choose from here. You can also audition it, and this will open the same sound reference panel. This shows the tonal spectrum of our reference audio, which in our case is this boom recording. This shows the original tonal spectrum for our unprocessed target audio event, which is the lav, and the result will show the tonal spectrum of the processed target audio. Ambience is a great addition to Tonal Match plugin because it allows us to transfer the ambient sounds from a preferred reference audio onto the target audio. It would be especially helpful in ADR situations. But for now, we will keep this as it is and come to color, which affects the transfer of tonal characteristics. Amount sets the intensity of the tonal characteristics. 100% means full intensity and 0 means no tonal transfer is being applied. Let me set this back to 100. Now, let's come to tone. Tone adjustments enable you to simultaneously enhance low frequencies while reducing higher frequencies or vice versa. For demonstration purpose, let me dial them to their extremes. Now pay attention to the tonal spectrum. If I push it towards high, it boosts the low frequency. while lowering the higher frequency. And if we push it towards the low, you can see it boosts the higher frequencies while lowering the lower frequencies. So I'll set this to maybe around -20. Now let's listen to the processed live recording, and then I'll bypass midway to switch to the original recording.
अर्धनारीश्वर का मतलब है कि ये जो आप हो, इस आप का आधा हिस्सा आत्मा शरीर के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है। अगर वो खत्म,
Yeah, there's a significant improvement. Now, let's listen to the boom and processed live recordings together, and I'll switch between the two.
अर्धनारीश्वर का मतलब है कि ये जो आप हो, इस आप का आधा हिस्सा आत्मा शरीर के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है। अगर वो खत्म तो ये खत्म, और अगर ये खत्म तो वो खत्म। इसे गंभीरता से सोचिए।
And yeah, it's pretty close with just one click. And that was tonal match. But bundled with Nuendo, we also have Curve EQ by Voxengo, which gives us more control to match and transfer the spectrum's shape of one recording to another. So let's give it a try. First, we'll add the EQ plugin to the boom track. Let's go to Insert, Voxengo, EQ, and select Curve EQ. And click on the static and match, which will open this window. Now we will switch the spectrum mode to average. And let me also reduce the overlap value. Now we'll play until the spectrum becomes stable and smooth.
अर्धनारीश्वर। प्रिय, अर्धनारीश्वर का मतलब है कि ये जो आप हो, इस आप का आधा हिस्सा आत्मा शरीर के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है।
This is fine. Let's press the take button.
तो ये खत्म।
And let's save it. Okay, now let me close this. Now let's select the laugh track and we'll apply the same plugin in the insert. And now let's do the same setting. And let's play.
अर्धनारीश्वर। प्रिय, अर्धनारीश्वर का मतलब है कि ये जो आप हो, इस आप का आधा हिस्सा आत्मा शरीर के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है। अगर वो खत्म तो ये खत्म, और अगर ये खत्म तो वो खत्म। इसे गंभीरता से सोचें।
Now we'll press the take button and we will load the boom spectrum data. Now in the lav, we'll press apply to, and in the boom, we'll select reference. Now let's hit match spectrum, and we can see that it has applied an EQ curve, which one can edit at any point. Now let's listen, and I'll switch between the two tracks.
अर्धनारीश्वर। प्रिय, अर्धनारीश्वर का मतलब है कि ये जो आप हो, इस आप का आधा हिस्सा आत्मा शरीर के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है। अगर वो खत्म तो ये खत्म।
So I have raised the gain on the lavalier track by few dBs. Now Curve EQ gives us additional flexibility to further tweak the EQ. For this, let's press on curve 2 and we'll adjust the curve. And let's listen.
अर्धनारीश्वर। प्रिय, अर्धनारीश्वर का मतलब है कि ये जो आप हो, इस आप का आधा हिस्सा आत्मा शरीर के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है।
The Curve EQ has done a perfect job. Now, let's get back to tonal match. And first, I'll raise the gain on the lab by 2 dBs. And there is a slight reverb in this clip. So to tackle that, first let's use Spectra Layers Voice Reverb. Let's first add the Spectra Layers extension to this audio event. And let's navigate to the module section. And I will add the Voice Reverb. And I will keep this around 24%. Let's hit apply. And this is what it sounds like.
और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है। और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है।
Now for comparison, let's also try the RX Dialogue D-Reverb. Let me first remove the Spectra Layers extension. Now let's call upon the Direct Offline Processing tab again. And let me just uncheck the auto apply. And let's add RX Connect. Now let's hit apply and it will directly open up in Isotope RX. Now let me select Dialogue D-Reverb and I'll keep the reduction to -11. Let me preview this.
आत्मा शरीर के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा।
Okay, let's hit render and send them back. Now I'll hit apply and let's listen and I will toggle between the lav and the boom mic.
आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है और आधा हिस्सा प्रकृति और परिवर्तन के रूप में है।
Well, that seems to have done a slightly better job than the Spectra Layers Voice Reverb. Achieving an absolute match between two different microphones can be quite challenging, but Nuendo 13's tonal match proves to be a valuable tool in bridging the gap between two different microphones, like boom and lavalier in our case, though at times it may require some additional tweaking. So that's all for this episode. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Your support means a great deal to us. So for now, bye, take care, and see you next time.